I got my keys. I don't have my keys.
I got my keys.
Oh,
You want my keys?
Yeah.
I guess I'll give you my keys to get arsenic on.
Hey.
Unbombable, baby. Careful, that's my house key. I can't get in my house.
Junkman 12 goat. What the heck does that mean?
Junkman 12 goat.
What kind of tape is it?
Yeah, help you. You intentionally doing that?
No, I swear.
It keeps answering.
I just want to see just see if you can just get it started. I want to see if it's my weak ass or is it.
It's pretty thick tape.
Yeah.
Damn.
Didn't even do
I
that.
don't think anybody wants you to get in this package.
Good Lord. Well, maybe we have something real besides.
We're sorry, Southern boys. We got no knife laying around. I don't think it's going to do the trick. You might have to get some sharp eyes. Let me go find something.
No, I think I can do it now, maybe. How am I going to say thanks? I ain't got no return address on it.
No thanks necessary. We'll hear the explosion outside of your house.
Smell that tape.
No thanks. Not that tape. I don't really see what's in this.
Oh.
Boy, wouldn't it be the best thing ever if it's a Life Day Chewbacca?
Oh.
Careful. Careful.
Well, I just hopped out. Oh, it's more tape over here. Hold on.
And that's my phone.
Okay, you ready?
Nice I ever will be. Oh, bubble wrap. That's a good thing.
We have a sticker activity set. Show that to the camera.
Wow. Sticker activity fun.
Set. Maybe we should have done
Filled
that.
with scorpions and no, I'm just kidding. Oh wait. It's got a latch. You can,
Well, let's do that in the next video. I meant about the Mad Libs. We're gonna buy the Mad Libs.
look at that. Oh, and it fell off the card, much like the theater loop.
Oh, still looks like a lot of fun.
And look what's in it. Scissors we could have ironically used to open the package.
Dang.
It's got some stickers and crayons and some. That's pretty awesome.
We should have got that out.
Whoever sent this, thank you. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, we should have called it. We got something else. It's not. It's more than the box too.
Man, this is super.
Oh, look at this. Bring Darth Vader to life.
Yes.
Talk or something. Ooh, extra value. Press Vader
to hear Vader breathe.
Yeah, I need some new batteries.
Maybe, yeah.
Oh. Can they put it on somewhere better? Maybe. Ain't no pages in it?
Oh, there's a page.
That's the book?
That's the book. It's a small book. It's because you got to be able to turn the page in.
Oh, okay. No, I thought it was just that.
No. See, it's got the prompts where you got to push Vader to hear him breathe.
Okay.
It looks like Vader's coming off of the card too.
Yeah. We need some batteries in Vader. You'll know it's on turn page in Darth Vader.
I only feel like it pushes.
Well, thank you, mysterious man. Well, lady. Well, that's not. We got more.
We got more.
Ooh, Hot Wheels.
Leading the way.
Ooh,
that was how you
look
love
at that
Hot Wheels.
one. I do.
Man.
Ooh, look at that. The Millennium Falcon. You see it wrong, Junkman. It's Millennium Falcon.
What the hell's an aluminum Falcon?
Ooh.
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that it's actually looks like the Falcon.
It does.
See that?
But we got more.
What?
It's another Millennium Falcon that looks like a Millennium Falcon.
Wow.
Wow, look at that. It comes with a little stand also. And I like it says, look, Flight Navigator, which is just a stand.
That's pretty cool, though. I like that.
I like it. Oh, it goes on your finger.
So you can fly around the house. That's awesome.
We're not done yet. We've got, ooh. Someone's proposing to me.
That's an interesting box that could hold a scorpion.
Uh-oh. Scorpion.
Or a box.
Listen to it. Ooh, it's a little. Oh, look at that! It's a little fake BB-8. I don't know his name. BB-8. Yeah.
It's BB-8. Ooh, what's that like a?
Oh,
What the hell is that? A garlic press?
put your weed in it and you grind it up. I think.
Is that what it is?
I think it is. Just because I bought Emily one for
It's
Christmas.
an herb grinder. Yeah.
I think that's what it is. I could be wrong, but I don't
Put your
know.
weed in there.
I think. Does anybody know for sure?
Grinder.
Oh, grind. Yeah, but for
BB9E grinder. Yes.
Dang.
You put your various herbs and
see when I
spices in there and grind them up. So just to say if
I
it's
know, we didn't
weed or culinary
we
or
just smoke stuff. We didn't get all fancy with it.
that's pretty cool.
That is
I
pretty
might,
cool.
I might be taking that home.
Oh, a little cool sitting over there. Okay, we're not done yet. We got a bag of air. Ooh, a little pillow.
Nice.
That's part of there, my pillow. That came out better than I thought. That's gonna be good in slow motion. Oh, uh-oh. We've got something else. Oh, fuck. Okay, sorry.
That's gonna be good.
Here we go. Oh my God, a perfume on Star Trek.
That's a Star Trek, does it?
Yeah, it do. Oh, I don't know if I should even take it out of the bag. It's never been out of the bag. It's from the new J.J. Abrams universe. It's got Uhura on it.
Is it a real glass? It is real glass.
It's real glass. Ain't that plastic Hasbro crap.
Where was this at?
Where it was in the box.
No, I mean, was it like a restaurant or something?
No, I think they just sold it. Like FYE or something. I could be wrong. I just think.
Select 4 glasses. Select all 4.
I think they just sold it later. Oh, it's going on the bed stuff. They're going on the bed stuff.
It's like being on a wet street with your grandpa.
They're going on the. I'm going to start to do slow motion and everything. There's nothing. Nothing else in here. Somebody drew a picture of a fidget spinner.
Okay. Yeah, I don't know what that is, but
You know what a fidget spinner is? You got a kid.
that don't look like a fidget spinner.
Well, I don't
It
know.
look like a Ninja Turtle winking at you or something. I don't know. I'm going to pass out as it is.
Oh, God. I don't got no more poppies.
Hang on, because
Oh, sorry. I ain't got no more poppies. Sorry. Sorry, Russ. No more poppies.
Woo!
Oh, shit.
Hey, Junkman channel popping though.
Thank you, sir, for that unsolicited testimony.